Amulets are used for protection. You can have amulets to protect you from the evil eye, to protect you from spirits, to protect you from being hexed, to protect you in all kinds of ways. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amulet to protect your health. So this is protecting your health from outside sources like viruses and bacteria and fungus and anything else that's coming from the outside. And with the COVID-19 restrictions starting to ease back for a lot of countries, now is a really good time to make such an amulet if you haven't already made one, just to be extra careful. And they're great to have to wear anyway during any flu season. So before we do that, hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to be a witch or Wiccan, or you want to know more about it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. So what I've got here today is a locket. This is a special locket that is for aromatherapy. So it's got a lot of openings so that what you put in there, in this case a piece of felt, the scent can actually come through. You can use other lockets, but if you can get your hands on one, or even just make one yourself, if you crochet, you can crochet a little bag, or just get a bag that's made of cotton and make up a little cotton bag. It'll still have the same effect because the scent will still be able to get out of a cotton bag or any natural fabric. So I've got that, I've got a piece of felt. I've got it in the color blue because blue is a very protective color energetically, but green's good as well, or white. I'm using eucalyptus oil, rosemary and tea tree oil. These oils are known for being antibacterial and also antiviral as well. And energetically, they're just good all-round protective cleansing oils. And they smell good together as well. And I'm just using some incense to help cleanse my tools before I use them. So the incense that I'm using today is a rosemary incense to cleanse. So the first thing we're going to do is cleanse the actual locket itself. So I'm cleansing the chain. So just putting the chain through the incense and just saying a few words of cleansing. I cleanse and consecrate this chain so that it may be fit to serve me in my work. Remove all malefic and replace with benefic. Do the same with the locket. I cleanse and consecrate this locket so that it may be fit to serve me in my work. Remove all malefic and replace with benefic. So that's ready to go, and then you just need to add your oils. So oil of rosemary, cleanse and protect my health. Oil of tea tree, cleanse and protect my health. Oil of eucalyptus, cleanse and protect my health. We went a little bit overboard with the eucalyptus there. I should have used an eyedropper. Mix it all together. So I'm not using a carrier oil. Okay, get up some energy. Making sure you've got a bit of energy here to work with. Drawing it up from the ground so you're not using your own energy. And then just putting your hands over. Oil of rosemary, tea tree, and eucalyptus. Protect my health, my body, from all viruses and bacteria. Get a little bit of felt, just dip it in lightly. You don't want to saturate it too much because you don't want to be too smelly. And then pop it in your locket. Got a bit too much there. They're keeping possibly more than diseases away. And once you've got your locket ready, you want to keep it on your pentacle for 24 hours to cook. If you want to know more about spellcasting and you want to become a better spellcaster, do download that free PDF spellcaster checklist. The details to how you can go about that are in the description field below. It's just a checklist to help you think a little bit more about your spellcasting so you can really get more success because you've thought more about spells. Maybe you find that you need to do more than one spell for something. It just gives you an idea of what you need to be asking yourself and what you need to be looking at in regards to casting spells. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Blessed be.